Hi there, fellow crafters. This is Pam, Pam's Paper Place, and we're going to work on a little bit of this journal, garden type journal. I think on this page, I'm just going to work on, this was a coloring book page here, and what I did was used a punch and put some of these fibers through it. So I thought I'd just do that real quick, and I think these are Paper Studio from Hobby Lobby. They came in a set like this. I don't see any name brand on. So, and then I'm going to use this one here. And what I did was, I think I basically started in the middle of it. I don't know, about here. And I punched there. And another punch down here. And then one about there. Doesn't have to, it could be however you want it. And then I just put some fibers through it. Maybe some eyelash trim and some of this. And I just put two coming through this side and one coming out this side. So let's just see if we can't put these through. See if I can get all these fibers through here. Yeah, that worked. And then let's get this side through. All right, and then you'll have that little bit on this side. Just some fun little fibers there. Then I will tie this whatever length I like. And then I could knot it twice, but I think it's pretty good there. And then I'll do the same like here, but I don't think I have to show you that right now. And then I'm going to do this one that'll come out on this side. Maybe we'll use some other, like maybe some yarn. And I wonder if this would look good. That'd be too thick. It might be okay. Might be a little thick. I could just, well, let's see if it's going to work. So then we're going to do it this way. Put these through. Oh, that's kind of thick. I think we'll just use this one here. Just to give the page a little interest here. Kind of fun. So I'm just working on this journal. I'm going to list this one for sale. The other one is mine, just so I can, I like to have some of my stuff too. And then I have like a little template that I can use to make, similar journals if I choose. Maybe this might be kind of fun. Kind of maybe twist it a little bit here. See if we can get that over here. Through this. Without tearing the paper. Yeah, that came out okay. Just fun stuff to add, right? A whimsical, fun journal. That's what I like. It's fun stuff. And there we got, well, I guess, did I put them all on this side? I did. That's fine. They're all on this side. Then tie her up. And we'll give it a little snippety-doo-dah. And there we have that little fun page there. And then you have, you know, it'll be showing this way. Let's see what else we could work on. I took from a book, like I did with the other one. Let's see. Yeah, I could show you this, where I just added this paper, took a paper folded ribbon and added some little bits paper in there, and then I zigzagged. And on this side I added a pocket and added some coffee dyed cheesecloth. So that's a pocket. So of course I didn't have the same, but I did find this poem, A Child's World, and so I thought I would, on this thicker paper, make the pocket, and then I'm going to ink this. Just tore this out of a, I always forget the name of these books. What is the name? I can't think of it. And we're just going to ink around here, and I'm going to put this on this page. Then my paper ribbon will go here. Ideals magazine. That's what it is. See? I haven't lost it totally. It comes back to me eventually. So that will go there. And then we'll add the paper ribbon to the side. I'm just going to glue it down. Yeah. And it's a beautiful day here in Michigan. I need to go outside and enjoy the beautiful weather, but I thought I'd just do a little bit here. Working on the nature journal. And we'll give just a little space to the side for that paper ribbon. I have to make that yet. It's just a strip of paper. Sorry, my chair's squeaky. I need a new one. And then here, I'm going to tear this to make a pocket. And I do hear my husband, so let's see here. We will tear it. I think I'll cut it here. And then I'm going to tear around to about like this. I will cut this along here, and then I'll cut the top. I'll measure that. It is, I always do the wrong end of my ruler. About 7.5. I don't know if I said told the length of my pages that I cut. So when I come back, I'll give you the measurements. Okay, I cut this. I don't know if I told you the size of my papers that I put in. What I did was I got all my papers, like I showed you before, and then I just folded them all in half. And then once I had them all folded, I cut them at 7.5 wide. Let's see, wait a minute. No, folded in half, they were 6 inches across. So if they're folded, they're going to be at least 6 or less, of course, you know. So the widest they can be would be 6 inches. And then they would be 7.5 this way long. So when you fold your pages, 7.5 long, I cut them, and then the widest could be 6 inches. So just wanted to say that if I hadn't done that. And this will be a pocket here. Maybe we'll just ink it a little bit too. Very beautiful image, isn't it? In that Ideals magazine. And we'll just ink these 2 sides. Like that. And then we'll put this down. We have a beautiful pocket, and this side will be open here for whatever we want to put in there. And then to make the ruffle, paper ruffle, like we have here, I'm just going to get some paper and show you how I do that. Okay, all I did was take some coffee dyed paper that was about 11. It was probably from an 8.5 by 11 paper, and then I'm just going to fold it like I have here. We're just going to fold it. All right, knocking stuff off. I wish this glare wasn't here. Let me take this off. Okay. No, we don't have a glare, so I'll just like fold it. And then I'm going to put it through the machine. I just fold it like this. And then I'll ink it. And then I'm going to zigzag down the center. And once I sew it, I'm going to ink it. And then I just ripped up little bits of this handmade paper, this fibrous paper that I had left, and I just put it various spots when I zigzagged. So I'll zigzag that, and I'll be right back. All right, I just sewed some of the little scraps of paper there. Just going to take some peel paint and get some wet. And then we're going to put that there. I might try a little brown too, some walnut stain. Yeah, I think I like that too. And then we can put that along here. I need to refill my bottle here. Okay, you can leave the, let's see, I think I was going to do the largest here, and then the smaller end there. Then you have strings. I might keep them and see what length I want to put them at later. So now you have the pocket that goes along with the child's world. Bluebirds singing, and just really sweet. So we have that pocket made from an Ideals magazine, and then we have the little ruffle with the little bits in it, and then the zigzag sewing down the side. You see that? Okay, so let's see what else we can do. And so we did this here, just gives fun things. You could trim it later. Let's see what else we're gonna do. I know there's more. I was going to take one of these pages and I tore out this little owl here, thinking that would look cute peeking out from behind this vellum page. So you could see him, the little owl, from a little book. I tore that owl. So I'm going to center him how I'd like it to show through the papers. I think I like that. But let's see. Let's ink a little bit too. And then I think I'm going to add some fibers around it, surrounding it. So let me get it in place how I'd like it. I think I like him centered. About like that. He moved a little bit. I think I like him there. Yeah, little owl, you are going to go right there. There's your little home. And then we'll put some fibers around him like so. Let's see, I think I need to sit down a minute and we'll just start here. Put glue around to frame him. And you can, scrunch it up a little bit if you'd like. And come back. Add more glue. And you don't even have to do it around the whole part if you don't want to. The whole image. We'll see what we have here. sticking to me. I think I'm going to do the whole image. And then we'll just let a little bit fall down there. And then we'll let it dry, come back, and maybe glue down a couple more pieces if we have to. And then you'll put it through and you'll see the little owl peeking through there. Just a little bit. And then you have your little image here of your owl. And it just gives a little more interest to your page. And let's see, what else could we do here? I did cut out my image, and if you want to know the digital kits that I used, they are in the first video, part 1. I don't remember everyone offhand because there was a number of kits that were used. And I'm going to use this one as a pocket. And I just like to start out with my base first, pockets and different things, and then I come back and I most likely will embellish more. This is going to go in the pocket here. So we'll do that, and I think we're going to stop for today. Just going to do this on the 3 sides here. Leave this one open. And I'm not sure. I may just do one more little part showing some embellishing. But I kind of need some time. I spent a lot of time embellishing, so I might just do a little bit more. And then this one I will be listing in Etsy once it's finished. So this one will go in here. And I think I'm going to add some more, to it. But I think this will be it for today. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.